In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WooCommerce checkout page not working. If your checkout is stuck loading, showing a blank page, or throwing an error, follow along and we'll get you back to taking orders quickly and safely. Start by logging in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, head to WooCommerce. We want to make sure your core WooCommerce pages are set up correctly. Open WooCommerce settings and look under the Advanced tab to confirm that the cart and checkout pages are assigned. Make sure those pages actually exist and aren't sitting in the trash. When you open the checkout page in the editor, it should contain the standard WooCommerce checkout content. If anything looks off or the page is empty, restore it to the default content and update the page. Next, go to Settings and then Permalinks. The checkout relies on friendly URLs, so choose post name or another pretty permalink structure rather than plain. This matters because WooCommerce endpoints like checkout and order received depend on WordPress rewrite rules. Click Save Changes to refresh those rewrite rules. This flush is a simple but powerful fix for 404s and redirect loops on the checkout. Even if you didn't change anything, saving once can clear out old rules that are causing conflicts. If the issue persists, temporarily deactivate all plugins except WooCommerce. Go to Plugins, select All, uncheck WooCommerce, and choose Deactivate. Then test your checkout in a new private or incognito window. If it works, you've confirmed a conflict. Reactivate your plugins one at a time, testing after each to find the culprit. Once you identify it, you can look for an alternative plugin, adjust its settings, or contact its support. Now clear your caches, purge your server or host cache if your provider includes one, clear any caching plugin you use, and empty your browser cache. If you use a CDN, purge that cache as well. Caches often hold on to outdated routes or scripts that break the checkout, so a full clear helps your changes take effect immediately. Finally, update everything. Make sure WordPress core, WooCommerce, your theme, and any WooCommerce extensions are up to date. Compatibility mismatches are a common cause of checkout failures, and updates often include important fixes for payment and routing. After all that, run a test checkout using a test product to confirm everything is working smoothly. If you followed these steps in order, you should see your checkout loading correctly and processing orders again. Thanks for watching and happy selling.